Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kharmalim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays the foundation stone for the upgradation of JN Sports Complex in Shillong. Meghalaya government expects to complete all World Bank funded projects by November next year. NPP rejects rural Lingdor's view on the inner line permit. And Meghalaya government not willing to implement Meghalaya Chera Cement Limited employees' demand. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone for the upgradation of JN Sports Complex in Shillong at a function that was held at the sports complex. Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bantedor Lingdor and Minister CNRD Hamlet Dorling were present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad K. Sangma said sports is not only for playing, but particularly for character building and discipline.
And in very short time, we are planning to come out with a program for the adolescents, especially the girl child, even the boys, because we feel that is a time when they are emotionally going through a lot of challenges. So therefore, we need to ensure that the right guidance is given to them when they are not adults, not children anymore, but they are adolescents. And this is, again, a unique program that will be first of its kind in the country. And we are hopeful that this will be launched by March or May after the early childhood development program. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we realize that the life of an individual starts off at an early stage. And there are many phases that a youth goes through. And it's important as a government to understand that each of those phases are different in nature, and hence require different policies and programs by the government. And that is what we are working on. It's a very, very detailed program, but I'm very hopeful that with these kind of programs coming up, we will actually see that our youth, as I said, the main goal being that our youth are pushed in the right direction in a constructive manner, and their energy is channelized in the most productive way. To the youth and the young sports person, I just want to tell you one simple thing, which again is something I always repeat, is sports is not about just playing a game. Sports is about your character also. Sports teaches you one of the most important things in life. For the things he has done. To God.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today said that the state government would like to complete all the 12 roads and 2 bridges projects funded by the World Bank by November 2022. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said the state government has taken a loan from the World Bank for this project to the tune of 554.67 crore rupees.
Hapo jong kanika World Bank funding kabakantuk Santali ka road project Shatai Segaru, Santali Janisha Khasi Jantia Jungi, Batru Kabakantuk, Artali ki Jike, Kawai Shani, Bat Kawai Shatai Shapo Garu Hills. Te Hakanika review meeting ilaya pek, ia ka progress of work, Kabang Asutunat Ban Ong Golomba, Barok ki kontraktos kia sedang bagi terima. Bat ke target ke bangilabu ba yakini ki project ki debat pedat hapo Desember arhajar arkoa te ka total amount sanction yakini ki khat atli ki project nanamla banyo thulut bide na shuthu ki total amount kalong san spa san kosau point riu brunyo plur kata kedeka amount kabla sanction na kini ki project berok atli bat ka total length jo ka surok kalong arspa anduk ar 0.4 kilometer kita kideki figures ki bang apa ban share na kota jingtip jo ki pai ba jo ke jalan Meghalaya ji dengan kermen scam ba how December arhajar aku mengopi ningladep igni project kalau ke jekerhu ke crowd ya ke jela ban ikipat ba jong ke jela Meghalaya baru ke way.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today said that the state government will shift all the residents from Maulong Sweeper Colony in Shillong, as this place is posing danger to the health of the residents because it has become worse than the slum. Addressing the media, Tinsong said the residents will be properly relocated to the new places of the state government.
Not say much about this. Being a government, it is the responsibility of the state government, provides by the Constitution of India, that every citizen of India who stays in Meghalaya, we need to make sure that we take care of them, irrespective you are tribal or non-tribal. So, as far as Yau Maulong is concerned, I think everybody of you will agree with me, that area becomes worse than slum. Therefore, the state government feels that taking into consideration the human life, health of those people who stays in that particular place needs to be shifted. We have to shift them. We have to relocate them to a proper place, to a place where health is also attended to. And number three, because that particular area right now, it is also a bazaar or a market place. I don't think it can be converted into residential at all. So on the basis of that, that's why we have submitted a detailed report from the high-level committee to the government, where the government has already taken a decision that yes, relocation has to take place from that area. Whoever stays over there, that they need to shift to other proper place.
The National People's Party of Southwest Khasi Hills District today said the views expressed by the NPP President of Maukarwat on inner line permit is his personal opinion and not of the party. Speaking to the media, the President of NPP Southwest, K. Nongrim, said the NPP will continue to support the implementation of ILP in the state.
So one, penpau hamne yaki katu katne ki kubor ki bami hakini ki sni hakabete berkatu ka kenten kaba I marwali oma kumba I persya mensuai LP hadu menta I persya tengai I balaton katu katne ru ki kenhon ki ba bu jingkeli yang ki parti mo kum ka parti MPP hapo jong ka Maukarwat block unit pat kum julu jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills district te kum presiden jong ka district jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills district ngadon hangni ban syai katu katne hakbede bat katu ka jingkren jong I marwel te nakalian jong nga sim ya katu ka jingkren kum ka jingkren ka ba simet hi jong I marwel kam na deye kata ka bang isim nakalian jong ka parti lain hangni te kuma piu ipat nakalian jong ka parti NPP ba ngatrai barok ngiatan mau ba daitan ka parti NPP hapo jingilam jong isar konrat ke sama kumu chief minister ki basim sundon ya karai banra ya kan kamat jingi kren ban pasru I kan resolution sundon hapo assembly ba ki kwa ya kaban penyo no ya ka LP yang ikum kejelah ya kan dia jingdawa ka ba bun balang ngilanya dawan ka pos kantam nadu ki seng samla bat mengiru kum ki maksud snong jong kane ka jala ka chungi tenagalem jong aku presiden jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills district NPP unit assistant na soban ong ba kum ba ka sarkar hapo jing yalam ka National People's Party hapo ka jing ka leadership jong isar konran lasim ya ni kananta da ka ba syai kedang ong hangne ba ngikersang pelitelan ya kane bat ngikwa ba kajing kon jogi pan penyo ya LP nam ta state kan urlong na kloi katala kata ka de kajing anut ka jung bat ngan om yang sa system ba kajing kren jogi marwel hantu ngaru lapet bahaya ka video clip ka ba EEI ka interview ka ba jrom tengah itu ilain iba iong ba ipersya ya ka ILP mensua hakapor bi long deputy chief minister bat kumduro ipersya manta ikan kata kendiat bu nah hakabe dei bat ka parti hendai isim bet ya ka personal view ki jong isim bet ya ka jing snow simet ka jong ikam kata ba kum presiden jong ka parti jong ka mau kurwat blok ibangi sudang terus kami ba insim haka kata ka parti lain ka ba ma yang haka tu ka por bat nangit ba haka tu ka sni ka ba isya kali jingeliru isim ya ka ju ka nomrim ka ba yang haka tu ka por ka ba ikam ko deputy chief minister terus asisten ngi don hangne ban ong bagi kersan ya ka ILP haka ni ka state ko maladon babu yang ia kena jingkeli bahatu ka NPP Southwest ka Sel district ka persya ni ka kersan ni hang ni tak persai ni kersan teli telan bak ni snow on ba dalong ka bala lai ka sarkar ni tentu bakin ya khun pat pemio kloi no yang ni ya ka LP kena bukan nok ka jing lat jing da nam ta jong ki rit pa jong ka cek pendro jong hang ni ko ka chala ka jong.
The employees of Meghalaya ASHA Cement Limited today regretted that the state government was not willing to implement their demands even after making a hue and cry for the last 2 years. Speaking to the media, the leaders of these employees informed that today they submitted a letter to the Chief Minister to take a final call to solve the problems of the employees once and for all.
Ini apel spiru yang berfirman ini misalkan ini posisi tempat sekolah jom buat keluar, ayo gede betul sini ini nanti kata kata dewi kamar kawan kawan itu orang faktori. Nanti ada kabar ada kalau kamar gede buat ini kayu kot jom nanti kata kata buat gede pending salary. Ane kapuar suara dengan election kamar aku akan alat jenis seperti ini pun improve ini jenis ekonomi kita.
Bersibun ni pi ibras kita bayi dia try kamlang buat ni ada por mensiwaru mah sistem mensiwaru kan mau lawan bangos try taya po head office di nilayo meeting buat semester untuk por pertama biang pi bangan ai ke history dekat bangin poi biang hau ni put man ai kerja man ai kan test adu section biang yang government di hadian katu kerja lang buat office semester nilayo ya ka rai na ubo ya khmat ki embyang ke MCCL sedang ke ni ke join venture di ila up ya report wat ka ba khadu bang yo khobor sipang kani ka we ka yu ka ba ka planning jo government kalong ha ubunai December atade abang yo meeting ka management wan sengap ya kani khobor yang kani ka join venture tike ai bang yo snow nakaliang juga management ka ong maya kan ya ka joint venture last dang tambah kidang konkret ya ka EOI expression of interest ka bamut walada ki company kidang jutmu ne am makin wan man penya ya ka ti plan ti kadai ka por ka aslam dari finu mudor du bunai di sebong ya siong wat Chief Minister te hadu uni di sembar kidang yo ya kata ka EOI makin fluid siwa ya kata ka EOI ti kelas support system di kelabu jeng para dokter hakayo kakuat hakamai kaji nak takadaw ipoi hadu niput ba niman sie wan sim ngene karai ba kadai kapur bangin perkhat ka government ka management pati man perkhat no yangi namar bidi bi sutu ba ka UI ka simpor kin khot ki UI kin wan ki company kan dan saka negotiation kan dan saka discussion antu kan lek biang saka drawing board tu kan lek saki stakeholder pidi sutu bahkan sa simpor ti kinok trai bu pri kamangla ong biang ne kayo kakot kapai kaji juki kala trai kala khem pidi sutu ba kibanang trai lu kala kham jinjar kibanang su trai belajar chong thai ki jinjar la asna matak la da kikut na e ki pisa ki yo matsai ti kibanang trai lu kan sa dum yaki takin mi sakmat trai sawe lu unumla kengi kuat bak sarkar kan ya sakmat mentakhat siwa yangi rengkat bakan ni ka EUI bakan nang ya namar pihak panbu yangi kinok train wangiu minum la asya siu pangin siu sngap pangge.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.